Hey friends, today we're taking a trip to the magical city of Orlando for an Easter weekend adventure. Starting off at the Promenade at Sunset Walk, we went to see the Easter car show. It was exciting to see all those shiny cars. Next, we headed to the Orlando Eye and Sea Life for some Easter egg hunt fun. The Orlando Eye offers breathtaking views of Orlando from its 450 foot observation wheel and an underwater world of marine life to explore.
Shines on me, shine until
a little summer in March. That's what we're special for.
Finally, we ended our day at Disney Springs. This shopping haven has everything from high-end fashion brands to quirky souvenirs. The cherry on top was getting our Easter treats at Goofy's Candy Company, a must-visit spot for all chocolate lovers. So that's our Orlando Easter weekend recap. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.